The iRobot Roomba Combo 10 Max is a premium robot vacuum and mop, equipped with state-of-the-art features for hands-free cleaning, auto-wash dock, automatically washes and dries its mop pad, empties debris, and refills water for up to 60 days of maintenance-free cleaning. Advanced cleaning technology features a 4-stage cleaning system with dual rubber brushes and power-lifting suction. Smart detection raises the mop when transitioning to carpets. AI-powered intelligence creates detailed home maps, recognizes room types, and focuses on high dirt areas. Enhanced dirt detect technology ensures thorough cleaning. Performance excels on hard floors and carpets, avoids cross-contamination, and integrates antimicrobial materials for hygiene. Smart home integration, compatible with Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant. Matter-enabled for seamless connectivity with Apple HomeKit and other ecosystems. Overall, the Combo 10 Max delivers a highly automated cleaning experience perfect for busy homes. Its cutting-edge technology positions it as a top-tier choice for effortless cleaning. Thank you so much.